Today we're talking about one of the most popular live streaming and social apps in the world, Tango. Tango is more than just a video calling app. It's a platform where millions of people connect through live streams, voice chats, private messaging, and online communities. Whether you want to make new friends, watch entertaining creators, or even become a streamer yourself, Tango offers a complete social experience in one app. One of the biggest reasons people use Tango is the live streaming feature. Users can go live anytime and interact with viewers in real time. Viewers can send virtual gifts, join conversations, and support their favorite creators. This makes the app very interactive and exciting compared to traditional social media platforms. Another interesting feature is the voice and video chat system. You can communicate with people from different countries instantly. Many users enjoy Tango because it helps them meet new people and build international friendships. For content creators, Tango also offers monetization opportunities. Streamers can earn rewards and gifts from their audience, which can later be converted into real income depending on the platform's system and eligibility requirements. This is why many influencers and creators are joining Tango every day. The app also includes filters, effects, games, and entertainment tools that make live streams more fun and engaging. The interface is simple and easy to use, even for beginners. However, like any social platform, users should always stay careful about privacy and online safety. It's important to avoid sharing personal information with strangers and to follow the community guidelines. Overall, Tango is a powerful app for live streaming, social interaction, and online entertainment. If you enjoy meeting people, watching live content, or becoming a creator yourself, this app might be worth trying. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinion about Tango in the comments below.